Is there any way to print more complex model using on Flux machines? Let's talk about. Hi, I'm Declan. Today I'm going to share with you what are those settings to print ABS, PLA, and more easy to peel the support material. And the below link I'll provide you two files. One is the Cura files and one is simplified 3D. And I will guide you step by step and do all the configurations on the settings. Download Cura 4.3, it will be like that. After that, we have to add the printer setting, will be setting, printer, add printer. So you have to type delta board, rename, so it will be 123 or Flux delta for you. Okay, after that, we have to go to the setting, printer, manage printer. So to choose delta board 123, machine setting. Flux will be 170, 170, and 210. No heater bed. On the extruder side here, you have to change to 0.4. 1.75 is correct. Close. From delta board 123, press active. So on the prepare side here, you can see this is your delta board 123. This is exactly the delta machines. So on the setting side, we have on the setting side profile, manage profile. Import Flux PLA profile, Cura profile. So just download the link that I provide. Open, you will successfully import profile Flux PLA. So you choose the Flux PLA, active, close. Okay, so here it will automatically import. Then we import the cubes. Click and scale, slice. Okay, preview. We see the cross sections. Okay, normally we'll be changing is a zero. This layer height. Initial layer height will be 0.4. Why? From the Flux Studio setting, basically the default setting will be 0.3 plus the offset 0.1, so it will be 0.4. So this one have to be 0.4. Wall line count is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then the setting next will be infill density. If you increase the infill density, the inner, this one we call density, infill density. Increasing, inside will be more narrow. Printing temperature depends on your brand of PLA. Maybe it will be 210 or 220, depends on your brand. So normally it will be 215 or 210. Confirm all the settings. Enable retractions. Retract at layer changing. Distance retractions 8. So the print will be 50, 70. Oh, this one initial. Oh, this one have to be 50, and initial speed will be 60. You have to change these parts. This one initial, you have to be more slower on the first initial on the first layer. So combing mode, now this travel, avoid distance will be 3. Okay, Z hop, and what else? The skirts normally will be on the brim. This brim is to hold still your model while printing. So this one is prevent warping, and no, this one is the brim. You will hold still your whole model. So after all the setting, you have to press Flux ELA. Don't forget to update profile with current setting override. So don't forget, after you do the setting, you have to save. You have to update profile with current setting override. Okay. So this is kind of the setting. Let's see about the support material. We scale it. The support here, we set to 0.2. This one will be 0.8. So preview. As you can see, this is the support material. So the best thing in using Cura is there's a gap. So after printing, it will easily peel off. Compared to using the Flux Studio Slicer, it will combine together. It will link together. So it's very hard to peel. So in using this Cura, this gap settings from here, support Z distance, this is 0.2. Okay, save to file from your Flux Studio. You just import this 3D model file. So after that, this is the actual scene. Okay, then you press start, choosing your printer. Now comes to the simplify 3D. Just file, import FFF file. So I provide the Flux Java PLA. You just click it. So the following, this one is means that already successful. Okay. Confirm all the setting. Layer height. First layer height will be 100%. 100% equals to 0.2 mm high. Temperature you just set. For normal PLA is 215. This one will be 0. Okay, 1 temperature will do. So we don't have bake. Set it on 0. The cooling. For the first layer, you have to turn off, and the second layer you have to on 100% full blast. Then you turn on bleed. You have to click the fan options. For the G codes, you have to type 170 to 10 on the Y. So homing direction will be center, and Z will be max. Okay, you have to watch out on this Z axis 0.2. As Flux the offset of the Z will be 0.4. So here so here you have to set 0.2 plus the layer height 100% in view 0.2. So total equal will be 0.4. This is the setting for Flux machine. Also the same. Drag, click, scale. From the edit process setting, generate support. This one you don't have to change anything. Okay. Prepare to print. The gap is also the same. It's very easy to peel. Tool pack from here. Open the Flux Studio. Choose preview for HES. So import again. Okay, this one is the simplified 3D slicer. So the import, start. That's simple. If all the setting is set properly, the first thing you need to print is the benchy to test out the brim and the layer and the supports. Okay. Then commonly changing the setting will be layer height, infill density, temperature, cooling, and support. This is ABS material, EABS material, TPU by just changing the retractions and the temperature. Of course, PLA. So that's it. If you have any questions, please comment below. All the best to you.